baka daw si boss pati mga pangalan. Tugol.
So yun guys, need natin na mag-screenshot just proof of arrival sa pickup destination, just in case ireklamo tayo na bakit natin kinancel yung job order. So yun, si ma'am dyan lang nakatira sa may tapat ng pedestrian lane. So hindi ko alam bakit hindi siya nagre-reply. Willing to wait naman tayo, no, for the sake of good customer service. So, yan na nga guys, no, tinatawagan na natin yung ating pasahero. four times nating mini-miss call pero hindi talaga nagre-response. At dumating na rin sa time na nag-text na rin tayo sa kanyang personal number. Pero wala pa rin, hindi pa rin siya lumalabas.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Ayun na, medyo mainit kasi lilipat tayo sa kabila para medyo fresh naman tayo at hindi amoy pawis just in case na dumating yung ating passenger.
Swing home run like a baseball bat, gonna see me rise. We hate on that, I don't play both sides, don't be no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff, I'm not the one. Mess with me, come down with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
So yun, need na naman natin mag-screenshot for evidence na naman na talagang nagantay tayo. So kailangan lahat ng kilos natin merong ebidensya kasi isang report lang ng mga pasahero yan, pwede tayo mag-deactivate. So dapat meron tayong supporting evidence.
I'm gonna be great. I'm gonna be the one. It's never too late.
So yun, nag-text na tayo sa kanya for the sake of good service. Nagantay pa rin tayo even though nag-PM na tayo sa kanya.
Trip booking pa yata. Kaya ko naman siyang ihatid kahit mataba siya. Kaya magpakita.
So, yun guys, hindi na natin natiis. Talagang inano na natin yung cancel. No showing yung passenger. So, disclaimer lang, no. Willing tayo mag-antay kung nagsabi siya na mag-aantay tayo. Or, di ba? Kaya lang, for 10 minutes na pag-aantay natin, wala man lang siyang sinabi or pakiusap na mag-antay tayo. Kaya, yun. Kaysa mag-antay tayo ng matagal at mamuti yung mata natin kakaantay at masayang yung oras, mas minabuti na natin na i-cancel yung job order. So, yun. Sorry na lang sa CS natin. Ayun, sayang. Ang laki pa naman ng pamasahe. Kaya, willing sana tayo mag-antay sa kanya kasi sayang naman. So, yun. Hindi kami tinadhana sa isa't isa ni pasahero. Kaya, iwan ko na siya. Bye-bye!
Bang! Love bang! Love bang, love it.
No show. Fake booking.